that's where I am today. Trying to get a little bit of distance because there is some live music here today, but hopefully I can do a good job about getting some vlogging done today. I'm really excited to be here. We're actually in Rhode Island today, and yeah, I'm gonna be vending. This is one of my last bigger markets of this season. So yeah, today I'm vending in Bristol, Rhode Island. We're actually at the Coggeshall Farms. So far, this is a really cool location. And we lucked out today, even though it's kind of springy still. It's a really warm day so far, and it's supposed to be sunny pretty much the whole day. Yeah, I'm gonna try to share with you guys what the fairgrounds are looking like. So far, one of my favorite parts is the fact that there are a ton of livestock, chickens, roosters that are just walking around the fairgrounds. There's actually some cows right behind us. You hear roosters crowing all day long. Not a paid actor. That was amazing. So yeah, I think as we speak, the festival has just opened, and I have my lovely friend Jordan here helping me out today because yeah, I'm just at the point where I can't do these markets anymore without help. He's over here. So yeah, spend the day vending with us. Do you know what you're gonna make with it yet?
Oh, socks.
Yeah, that's so cool.
Yeah, I just want to see what it does.
Yeah. The little setup. Jordan's holding down the fort. Sassy black yarns. Ooh, that feels so nice. Oh my gosh, that feels crazy good. Even though it's a little bit windy, it's a little bit chilly. fiber. They were also at the Boston Public Market, and their yarns are incredible. I saw you were vending at Boston Public Market.
I was.
As vendors
I did
there
vend
as well, and people kept coming to my table and like, look at this yarn, and I had to come see it. Beautiful colorways.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Do you dye these all yourself?
I do.
Yeah.
I do. Yep. I had a newborn at home. I didn't have any. Oh, good to
Look
meet you.
how beautiful.
We were in the same row at Spark. I finally got a chance to walk around.
Hi.
All naturally dyed.
Beautiful.
Plants, kitchen waste.
We're gonna go check on Jordan. She's been left alone for like 30 minutes. Just manning the tent. This is so nice that I get to just like walk around and see what other vendors are selling. And then I have a lovely friend to take care of my booth. I'm blessed. How goes it over here?
It's good.
You chilling? You know, I'm pretty pleasantly surprised at. It's been a pretty good turnout. I just love how much like livestock is here, and there's like a lot of demonstrations like weaving and spinning, sheep shearing. We're gonna try to catch the sheep shearing a little bit. Sheep shearing.
See, this is for her own good. Oh, you're strong.
Oh my
What I'm
god.
gonna do is just kind of knock her off that one.
Handle it. Handle it.
That's it.
Woo! Oh. It's okay, baby.
You hope.
Oh my god. I'm
Like I
dead.
said earlier, the hardest part right now is going to be getting all of this belly fluff off. This is not a drive-through service.
Oh.
Now, sheep have a lot of loose skin in this area, so I want to pull the skin. If I take the fleece and I pull it up,
It's currently 2:40 in the afternoon, so we've got an hour and 20 until the market is over. I'm fried. I feel so tired. I think Jordan's tired too. I feel like it's I don't want to say the lull, but it's like the last hour is probably the most calm. A little bit of a headache, but we're almost there. Been snacking all day. I'm surprised you haven't started that project. Like, I know you said it's at the beginning, but
Yeah, it's more like I would have to like count and like measure it to fit me.
oh
And
yeah,
it's more like
it's like a whole thing.
I know I meant to start it last night so that I would be ready, but then I was tired.
I'm the same way too. Like, if I have to start it, like I have to do that at home
I know.
so that I can just get to a point of like repetition.
Yeah, because it's a pattern that's like it's like a I think it's a 6-stitch repeat. So it's like I do need to like
Think.
think a little bit more.
Yeah. I guess I'll show you guys what the stock is looking like. Honestly, table is pretty low, which is a good thing. This side is pretty much the same from when we started, but front of the table is pretty empty. We've lost swatches yet again. And this bin is pretty empty too. Had a lot of yarn up here, and the bamboo's mostly gone. And then here is the rack. Kind of looks about the same, a little bit sparse like here and there, but yeah, not too shabby. Here's the setup.